Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a paid Discord server using Whop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Whop, click the following options. You can sign in using your Discord, which is very convenient option. You can use your Google, your Twitter, your Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, I need you to do the same thing on Discord. Click on the login using your credentials. Register if you haven't done so, and provide as much as information as you can, and you're all set. Creating a paid Discord server using Whop, which accepts both cryptocurrency and credit card payments, involves a series of steps, alright? So number one is you need to know that Whop is a platform that facilitates membership management and payment processing for servers like Discord servers, alright? So once you have created your account here, I need you to switch to your Discord, and from here, this is the private channel, which is actually for sale, and which we're gonna make it have the members or the buyers to have access to this specific channel, of course by paying us. All right, but the first thing you need to do is to create the roles for the moderators. For example, click on the permissions, because this is a private channel and only select members and rules will be able to view this channel. That means you're gonna make this Discord server a paid membership, sort of like that. All right, now I am the members and the roles, or I am the server owner. And to add roles here, for example, I'm gonna create a new role. For example, buyer. Click on done. And you can give the channel permissions for the buyer if you wanted the full control of which once you've sold the private server, or they are just, paying for subscription to the channel or a server that you have created. All right. Now, after creating the Discord server or the private channel, I need you to switch to your Whop. All right. Now, from here, if you're not familiar yet with the platform, what you need to do is to create a membership product on Whop. All right. So you need to familiarize the dashboard, and you see I have already created two products, which is the Andy Guide and the Andy Guide Discord server, which I'm planning to, of course, sell as a product. But for now, we're going to click on the Create New. And from here, you can name your Whop, maybe paid Discord server. Something like that, just for the training purposes. Okay, now click on next. And from here, you need to select a category. Maybe it's sports pick, reselling, business, e-commerce, social media. But for now, I'm going to put it on the gaming category. And after doing so, all we're going to do is, as you can see, you need to wait 5 minutes before creating another company. So we're not going to wait for that. Instead, we are going to hover to one of our Discord server, or for the paid Discord server. And from here, as you can see, once you are on the this section, you need to search an app. And that is going to be the Discord, wherein you can sell access to your Discord server with automatic role management, right? Because as we can see, we are of course making a paid Discord server and paying us through credit card, crypto, using Whop. Click on Add App. The thing is, you will be directed here to connect Discord. I need you to click this purple button. And from here, you need to choose the Add to Server. And that's going to be Andy's Guide server. Click on that. And as you can see, this will allow the developers of Whopbot to add all these access. All right. Now, from here, just click on Continue. Now, here are the permissions and the grants that you can do. All right. And once you're happy with that, once you are sure, click on Authorize. Now, if you encounter any error or problem such as this one, all you're gonna do is go to your Discord, to your server setting, and drag Whop bot to the top of your roles. And from here, we fetch roles, all right? I'm gonna do that right now. So I went back to the Discord server and of course drag the Whop bot to the very top, and from here, it's gonna be okay. Now we set that up. The next thing we need to do is to make a payment or payment methods, all right? This is gonna be very important. As you can see, we need to check on the payout sections, and let's set up on Whop payment. Now, it is needed to set up your account and complete verification. For example, this one, I need you to click on next. Now from here, Whop is partnered with Stripe for secure financial services. And if you have the Whop, all you gotta do is, I'm sorry, if you got your Stripe account ready, you might want to do that instead. Now, if you don't have a Stripe account, that's okay. And if you don't want to create a account with them yet, because there's another option for the payout or payment method, which is this one right here, other payment methods. You can set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments, all right? And you can also set up Coinbase Commerce to accept crypto payments. Remember that we are making a paid Discord server by using crypto and debit or credit card, all right? Now for us, if you have a PayPal ready, click on the setup option, and of course you can connect your PayPal account to start accepting PayPal payments on Whop. Click on it. Now from here, all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. That same process with your Coinbase, but we're going to have a separate video on how to connect Coinbase or cryptocurrency on Whop payout, because it's a little bit technical, and if you don't have the technical skills, you're gonna be ending up having problems connecting that. All right, now moving along. After that, as you can see on your dashboard, you have the product, plan status, and the user who had paid to your Discord servers. All right, you also have the links for the product, plan, which is you can actually move it right here. Active users who already purchased your Discord paid server. You could also create a checkout link if you wanted, right? For example, this is going to be the stock one, and you can forward this link to the social media platforms for them to invite to join your Discord server, which is going to be needing a paid services, right? And for the users, this is the users who have joined your Discord server. If you have already, they're going to be pre-filled all the information here. Joined Whops, total spend, status, contact, and join. And again, from here, all I got to do, you can also share your store page link right here to your contacts if you wanted, all right? And again, by following these steps, you can successfully set up a paid Discord server using Whop, accepting both cryptocurrency and credit card payments. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, I suggest you contact the Whop support team and documentation, because as you can see, there's start a live chat here. All right, so let's ask a question for now. Maybe talk to a person. Just wait for a little bit. If you can see an answer, type in your questions. Let's see if we get an answer. Or you can always go to the Whop Customer Support Center. And from here, these are the popular topics that you can choose from. Of course, we can always go to the Resolution Center. And from here, you can also check the chat that we have discussed earlier if there's an answer already. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.